Hi friends, good morning. Today I'm going to tell you how to place buy order, sell order and stop loss order for beginners. How you can start before if you want to start the holdings, before you want to start to share to buy some shares in the market, you require some of the account, that is demat account. You can open through Angel Broking, Zerodha or Paytm. There are many options are there, so you can go through that. Mine, I have Zerodha, so I will go through the Zerodha only, which is I felt good. This is my holdings. You can see here whatever I have took and whatever in the profit confit. I took only one quantity. This I did for my trial and error how it will work, because this is just holdings. You can see confit. I took one quantity only. I bought for 60.85 rupees. Now it is going on 76.20. Last traded price I have profit 15 rupees 35 paisa for one quantity. So net charges, day charges, they given idea, JP Power, whatever I have profit in green and loss in red. So this is I just tried for myself how can it will work. So this is very important for beginner. Without your you start with a very small amount. Don't start with a high amount without knowledge, because it is not as easy as you think, because this is a market and this is just holding sided. Option trading is different, intraday trading is different. So I will, in this video I will show you how you can buy, how you can select your stock, and how you can analyze, and how you can go to the next level. So this is for the beginners who are starting now. So this is the menu. You can see here I have already added whatever the stocks which I felt okay I can take. So just I will check first all the details, then I will invest in that. So we'll go through this. If you want to add any other stock also, you can try here. We'll try with Adani. So you can see here, okay, it is not taken. We can take Britannia. So Britannia, if you take, you will get this much options. Whichever you want to add, it will give this option. You want to add Britannia N3, N2, Britannia September put, October put. These are like contract basis also. So this is, I will tell only beginners what you can do. If you want to add, you can add here. Already I have added this, so I will add this. But we are not going to. I'm not going to add this. If you want to add any stock, you can type there. It will give the details about that products, and you can add here. They are given this bar. You can see here. You can add, and you can start your trade. I will tell you how to buy and how to sell. I will do one trial and error with penny stocks. So let us start. We will take with PNB now. We'll go with NP. Okay, we can go with S Bank Idea. We'll go with Idea. This is buy up. If you go on that menu, click on this Idea stocks, you will get this bar, buy, sell. You can go with market depth. This is chart. This is you can delete, and this is more options. So we can go through the Idea. I will show you this. If you are here, you will go. You will get to know the market depth. See, bid price, order quantity, offer order quantity. So whoever they will buy with high price, they will execute that order first. You can see bid price 5.9, their order executing that. You can see the market movement here. Orders 2235 quantity. You can see here 5170431, offer price 5.91. Sorry, 5.95, orders 358, and this is the quantity. After 5.99 execution, they will go with 5.85. Obviously, whichever is the higher, they will execute first. Now you can go with the chart. You can see the chart if you want to see the details. This chart technical analysis I will show you in one other video. how you can check it, because this has lot of parameters. You one day you can't understand, it requires some analysis. See, this is, you want to see for 1 minute what is the movement of idea, 2 minute or 3 minute, you can select here. On D you can go and you can select 4 minutes. This is the 4 minute movements, it will show how it is working. So green, whichever it shows, it is high low, it will show. So this is the price and this is the see here, now it is trading for 5.90. you can see 5.90 it is trading. So this I will come with the other video, because you can't understand this much easily. This requires some of the analysis. So how we can go with the uh, this is my holdings. Okay, now I will close this chart. Market depth also I will close. Okay, now we will order one quantity. I will show you. I will go with the one buy option. We will go with one quantity as per the trial and error I am showing here. So this is the buy quantity. I clicked on buy, idea buy. You can see here buy idea one quantity, BSC rate 5.92, NSC rate 5.90. so we won't go with the BSC, we can go with NSC. So one quantity, if you want quantity you can go, you can go with the bid price you want, 5.95 it is going bid price. You want to make it down or bargain, you can bargain it. You can go with the small amount, 5.91, 5.80. I am bargaining with 5.70, 5.65. let us see what will happen. This is the target. I'm going with the limit, my limit. So this is the stop loss, this is target, this is what is the required margin, 5.65. now I have targeted. If you want with market price, you can click here, it will take the market price and it will go with the buy. See, this is the market price, whatever it is, it will go. If you are going with the limit, you can click on limit, it will come this and you can bargain. So you can see here I am bargaining. This is trial I'm doing 5.65 I am asking. So I will click on, one second, I can click on this buy option. So if I am, this is I bought one quantity, you can see here, this is the, you can see order, my this is open order, means it is not executed. Whenever I traded for I expecting 5.65, now it is trading, last traded price 5.95. if it is coming down it will execute, otherwise it will be open order. So whenever it will execute, it will take the order, otherwise it will be open at the end of the day. If it is coming the rate 5.65, then it will come with the it will execute, otherwise it will be open order and automatically get cancelled. So this is the however this is for the beginner, how you can place your buy order. So how you can go to the sell order, I will show you in the next video. If you have any doubt, queries, keep your message in comment box, so I can come through go through it and I can answer you. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.